Let's learn how you can add collaborations on your Instagram Reels after posting them. So if you need to add a paid partnership label or you want to add a collaborator to your videos which you've posted as Reels, but you don't want to delete them from your account, then follow my steps because the process is pretty easy. I'm going to open my Instagram application and then go over to the Reels section, and let's say I want to add a collaborator on this specific Reel. And I forgot to mention one thing. Make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version so you'll get these features and functions in the app. I'm going to tap on the three dots at the right side and then find this Manage option and click on it once. That's going to open another little menu with a couple of options, and then you can click on this Partnership Label and Ads option, which should be the second option from the top. And I'll simply enable it by tapping on this little switch right here. That will then show me a new option where I can add a brand partner. But another way on how we can add collaborations and invite collaborators is to get back to this menu by tapping on the three dots, then Manage. You want to find this Edit option, which should be right above the Add Partnership Label and Ads button. And when we click on the Edit button, it's going to open this page where we can add a description to our Reel and other similar things, but we'll click on this Tag People option and then invite collaborators. I can now search for a specific Instagram profile, which I would like to add as a collaborator on this specific Instagram Reel video. It says here that if they accept, their username will be added to the Reel, and the Reel will be shared with their followers and shown on their profile. But yeah, if you want to add a collaborator to your Reels, you know how to do it. If you have any questions or suggestions about this whole process, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.